back. This weekend we're heading down to Nelson for what they call the Ruff and Tuff 250, so it's 250 k's, gravel roads mostly, in a forest down in Nelson, so a bit of a drive to get there. I'm going to go and pick up Rob Ryan, who has volunteered to come down and give us a hand for the weekend, so that's awesome. Rob's been around off-roading for a long time and he knows a lot of good things. He builds all our gearboxes for us and that, so it'll be awesome to have him on board and get his opinions on what's going down.
We get Sab on the track.
Good to go. Let's go get Rob.
Right, made it to Rob's.
He doesn't like being on camera, but we'll try to sneak him in a bit.
So he's put full throttle bodies on?
Yeah.
Excuse the piece.
In other news, not that anyone cares, but I snapped my phone charger clean off. Lucky it didn't get stuck in my phone, but I'm not happy about it. Thank you. It's 2:15 in the AM, and I'm asleep on a boat. I'm not actually asleep. If you hadn't noticed, I'm lying in a bed on a boat. See you in the morning. Sweet. We are currently on our way to the tech inspection, which is being held at Nelson Speedway. So it's only 2 minutes down the road. Unload the car and see if we pass. I guess we're going this way.
It's a sheep.
There's your girlfriend, mate.
Trailer doors stuck closed.
Sorry, bro. Crypt cake.
Oh, trailer door's bloody stuck closed. Trying to smash it open now. Fucking then it begins. Check that out. Spark arrestor is on, almost. Consider it barn ratted.
Oh, hell. It'll probably fall off.
That's right, it's just because I could do the inspection, really. Right, so just been through the gear inspection and sign in. All signed in and the gear's all good. And now we're going to jump in the car and go and do the scrutineering. We've been here a while now. I'm finally getting close to the front of the queue. Pull tab. I don't think we're meant to. It passed tagging recently, and they sold me the extinguishers.
No, good.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I did.
Sweet, and that's us all done. Bit of mucking around, but got there in the end. Aaron has arrived in the Nelson. Now we go to Lone Star. Welcome to the forest.
Wow, it's sunrise. No, it's sunrise.
It is. Pretty majestical, mate.
The sun is right.
It is. So, Aaron's just been to walk the qualifying track. What do you reckon? Thoughts?
It's fast.
It's fast.
Slippery.
Okay.
This bit's slow.
So you know where you're going, you got it in your head?
Yeah.
He's sussed.
Go as fast as possible.
That's more or less it.
Don't spin out at the cone.
Yep.
Don't
Oh, is there a
logs
cone?
on there. Yeah.
Oh.
Good little.
Yep.
Ripped the handbrake in the Swift.
Hell yeah. Did he?
Yeah.
Yeah, just whenever you're ready, man. Sweet. Send him on his way to qualifying, so wandering up here, have a look, check it out.
out at the cone. Any good?
Fuck yeah.
Oh, good. Just lift
beautiful.
the visor and just
Yeah, nah, stoked with that. It's good work. It sounded fast, at least. If anything. Ooh. The zoom on this is wild.
What are we doing?
Oh, we're chucking a bit of fuel in it. We're doing 240k today, so we're going to need about 60 litre. Bit of that, if you will.
Will you?
I will, thanks.
Oh.
You want a coffee?
Anyway, I think there's 64.
I reckon there's 9.
It's one with like 9 heads. How do you feel?
Like there's 9 in there. That's what I feel
Yeah?
like.
Alright, 9 jelly snakes.
And I'll be eating them all.
Sweet, so he's just gone over to grid up. So he'll just park up in 20th position, and then they've got a driver's briefing. And then he'll be jumping back in the car and ready to race.
There's a heap of trees that were falling down that we've cut back as far as we could. They're all hazards, it's all pink through there, you can see them.
Oh. Obviously driver's briefing's done. Gonna hop in the car. How long till the race?
Yeah.
Now.
Yeah, there goes the first one.
And we're off. Oh, no, we're stopped again.
We're not ready yet.
Not quite.
I should probably start the car.
And they're off. And now we wait. Might go for a wander up the track. Hopefully he doesn't break down like he did in Woodhill and no one's in the pits for him. That'd be cool. Big vlog guy, you gotta do it, eh? I gotta explain what's going on, otherwise just nothing makes sense. Dangerous behaviour. We're walking up the track. Sit up. That's 14 cars through now. Looks like we might have lost a couple already. Huh? 15?
That should be.
That's 15 cars through. Aaron was in 20th.
Nice.
Fucking hell. Yeah. Hold on, here he comes. Sweet, it sounds good, it's going good.
Shooting mad flames.
Shooting big fucking flames.
That's my boy.
Yeah, that's the guy. That's Dad. He's gold mining in Alaska. As you do on your Saturday. Is this him? We're on lap 3 now.
Yeah, boy.
Need to put a 4.8 for that.
So Aaron is now in 16th position, as you can see on our timing. He's actually right behind Kev Dog, apparently, according to this. Kevin. So he's picking them off, started in 20th, 16th place. Kev Dog.
They wear grippy socks, have a grippy box.
Tommy's now saying he's in 18th, so it looks like he's dropped back 2 spots, which is weird. This might be him coming now, though I might have spoken too soon, but... Oh yeah, this is behind him. No. He's gone. Yeah, no. Hasn't shown up. Got a flat.
becomes the world's loudest Honda. Need some earplugs, mate.
Oh, so I'll explain what's gone on, because my camera died and then got busy. It's brand new exhaust, frickin' snapped off, and then the heat off the exhaust gases melted both of our brand new throttle cables. So I'm pretty gutted, but we're thinking that the mounting needs to be able to flex more. Might have been mounted a bit too well. We managed to free up one of the cables and we're back in the race now, and it's currently the world's loudest frickin' Honda. Hell yeah. Oh yeah, and this is the part where we wander into the forest frickin' ages and get lost. He's done 7 laps now. He's currently in 24th position, so we are picking him off. He just did his fastest lap time so far by 4 seconds quicker. Get into a cool little viewing position. Oh yes.
Slow down!
If it's us, we've got a misfire. Surely this isn't us. It might be. It's pretty loud. Surely not.
No, it's Kevin.
Go now. She's all going in the forest today, mate.
Fuck, you got him at the sideways there?
Yeah, holy. He's done 7 laps now. He's on his last lap, apparently. The checkered flag's out, so this will be lap 8 if and when he comes through. Well, it's way too quiet here. Might start walking back, to be honest. I'm not thinking we're going to see him. Oh well. 7 laps though, so he's finished, I guess. Huh. Yeah, pretty fucking defeating, eh?
Sure, you don't want to go around the pits and like that.
The 90's gone too!
Oh no! Yeah, there's a lot of weight fucking hanging off it.
No, because it was just the 90 left.
I think there might be more to the story actually.
There might be. Yeah.
What did you hit?
I just slid off of it.
shared the bolt.
You've shared the bolt on the rear arm. You have. That's what you've done there.
Oopsie, didn't ya?
Love what you've done with the place.
Congratulations.
Stretch the hole.
The bolt. We've got wind-ups in the back there.
You look good in it.
Yeah.
Some real speed for your afternoon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna go for that. I'm gonna fucking start cutting here now. You ready to listen to this?
Go. Go to a lap. You might get the fastest lap time.
Anyway, sorry, summary of the day. The car broke and then we fixed the car and then it got crashed and broken.
Anything to add to that? 9 jelly snakes. Yeah.
Exhaust snapped, causing the throttle cables to jam up. Got that fixed after half an hour and 4 laps down. Yeah, the world's loudest Honda B16 for a bit. And then he hit a tree.
You can really hear the siren when you're not in the car.
Yeah, it's fucking loud.
It's not my siren.
Oh. Random extra footage because we're going to go to prize giving. Not that we're going to win anything, but we're going to go to prize giving and have a couple drinks, talk some shit, so enjoy.
What he got somewhere?
I don't think so.
Notice I know I'm crap.
Perfect.
Ready for kids on.
And this guy's been around forever. First in the class, Kevin Cooper.
He wasn't there, he doesn't even know about that.
What do we get? Sausage in a
This
bucket?
guy had a few electrical issues, apparently.
You got a whip?
S83.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Not
He wasn't there for it.
Quick explanation of what Aaron won at prize giving. So he won a bucket of car wash and stuff for coming in 4th position in class, which is not terrific, but cheers to the club for giving some car wash and that. And he also won a bag of cable ties because his trailer broke at frickin' tech inspection, scrutineering, which he was confused about because he wasn't even there, but he still won a bag of cable ties, so cheers guys. Massive thanks to the club, the organisers, everyone who puts on these events. It's that track especially is probably, in my opinion, that's my favourite track. I think it's Aaron's favourite track now. It's a bloody awesome track. Hopefully we can continue going there year after year because it's freaking cool. I haven't really filmed bugger all on the way home. Let us know what you reckon. Love to hear your thoughts. Yeah. Cheers.
Anyway.
I think there's 64.
I reckon there's 9.
It's one with like
20th
9
place.
heads.
How do you feel?
Like there's 9 in there. That's what I feel
Yeah?
like.
Alright. 9 jelly snakes.
And I'll be eating them all.